Welcome to Health News. I'm Caroline, and today we're spotlighting the chaga mushroom, its benefits, as well as the science and lore behind it. Are you curious to experience the potential benefits of chaga mushrooms for yourself? Check out our top picks for chaga products right below this video. Our first pick is Real Mushrooms Organic Chaga Extract Capsules. These are hot water extracted from 100% Siberian chaga, ensuring the preservation of all non-water soluble components. Certified organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, and vegan, these capsules are your go-to for supporting your immune system with guaranteed more than 8% beta-glucans. No fillers, just pure, potent chaga. Second product is Real Mushrooms Organic Chaga Extract Powder. Similarly as capsules, it offers the same high-quality, wild-harvested Siberian chaga in a versatile powder form. USDA certified organic and guaranteed to contain more than 8% beta-glucans, this powder is perfect for blending into your favorite beverages for a daily health boost. For those looking to integrate chaga into their daily routine with ease, Moon Juice Chaga provides a high antioxidant content and 240 milligrams of beta-glucans per serving. Known for supporting a healthy immune system and antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, this organic, wild-crafted chaga extract mixes well in smoothies, lattes, and more. Interested in exploring more options? Head over to our comprehensive guide on the best chaga mushroom supplements at healthnews.com. Okay, you might venture into the cold forests of the Northern Hemisphere, and you might spot the chaga mushroom, or Inonotus obliquus, clinging to birch trees. Unlike the mushrooms you're accustomed to seeing, chaga doesn't resemble what most would recognize as a fungus. It appears more like a dark, charred lump of wood than a traditional mushroom, leading many to walk right past without realizing the treasure they've overlooked. So what exactly is chaga, and why has it captured the fascination of health enthusiasts and scientists alike? First and foremost, chaga is a nutrient powerhouse. It's packed with a wide array of bioactive compounds that contribute to its health-promoting properties. Among these, beta-glucans are paramount. These are not just ordinary carbohydrates, they're complex sugars known for their ability to modulate the immune system. Chaga mushroom is also rich in polyphenols and triterpenoids, which are celebrated for their potent antioxidant properties. These antioxidants play a critical role in combating oxidative stress, which is linked to numerous chronic diseases. Moreover, chaga is a source of melanin, a pigment that gives the mushroom its distinct dark color. Melanin has been recognized for its protective effects against UV radiation, contributing to chaga's antioxidant profile. Another intriguing aspect of chaga is its content of inonotiol and betulinic acid, derived from the birch trees it inhabits. These compounds have drawn interest for their potential anti-cancer properties, highlighting chaga's multifaceted benefits. The consumption of chaga dates back centuries, primarily in the form of herbal teas. Its slightly bitter taste with a hint of vanilla has made it a popular traditional remedy, believed to enhance overall well-being. Despite its long history of use, the scientific community continues to explore chaga's full potential, with current research underscoring the need for further studies, especially in humans. Now let's explore the key potential benefits, guided by the insights gathered from research and traditional wisdom. First up, immune system support. Thanks to its rich content of beta-glucans, chaga engages the body's defense mechanisms in a supportive manner. These are reported to support immune response via multiple pathways, from modulation of inflammation to support in immune cell activation and response to pathogens. Animal and cell studies underline chaga's potential to modulate immunity, offering a beacon of hope for its protective capabilities. Secondly, the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. Chaga may become an ally in battling oxidative stress and inflammation. Rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols and triterpenoids, that scavenges free radicals which can cause cellular damage and contribute to aging. This antioxidant action is complemented by chaga's anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, yet it can, when chronic, lay the groundwork for diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. Chaga's ability to reduce markers of inflammation has been demonstrated in animal studies, suggesting its role in mitigating these chronic inflammation-associated conditions. The third potential benefit could be the reduction of bad cholesterol. Heart health is another frontier where chaga shows promise. Preliminary animal studies hint at its capability to lower levels of LDL cholesterol or bad cholesterol, which is responsible for plaque buildup in arteries. This effect is attributed to the antioxidants present in chaga, which may not only lower LDL cholesterol levels, but also potentially improve the overall lipid profile. Finally, chaga may exhibit a benefit in influencing blood sugar levels. For those grappling with blood sugar regulation, chaga may offer a glimmer of hope. Limited animal research suggests that chaga may lower blood sugar levels, presenting a potential aid in managing conditions like diabetes. This effect is thought to stem from chaga's impact on insulin resistance, enhancing the body's ability to respond to insulin more effectively. While these findings are encouraging, the translation of chaga's benefits from animal models to human health remains an area ripe for exploration. Continuing on, how should you use chaga mushroom? Chaga can be consumed in several forms, making it a versatile addition to your wellness routine. The most common forms include teas, powders, extracts, and capsules. Each form offers a different experience and bioavailability. Teas and powders provide a more traditional consumption method, while extracts and capsules offer convenience and precision. Let's overview these consumption forms. Brewing chaga tea involves steeping chunks of the fungus or a powder form in hot water. This method allows for a gentle extraction of its bioactive compounds and can be enjoyed daily. Chaga powder can be added to smoothies, coffees, or even baked goods, providing a versatile way to incorporate chaga into your diet. For those seeking a more concentrated form, chaga extracts and capsules provide a measured dose of the mushroom's bioactive components, making it easier to monitor intake. And what about dosages? The appropriate dosage of chaga can vary depending on the form and the individual's health goals. While there's no one-size-fits-all dosage, most products recommend starting in several ways. If you choose chaga in the form of tea, 1 to 2 grams of chaga powder steeped in hot water up to 3 times daily. If powders, then 1 to 2 grams per day, mixed into beverages or food. And lastly, if you want to try capsules or extracts, follow the manufacturer's guidelines, typically ranging from 500 to 1,500 milligrams daily. It's important to state that what works for one person might not work for another. Customers should always consult a doctor for dosage appropriate for them. The duration for noticeable effects can vary, with some individuals experiencing benefits within a few weeks, while others may take longer. So, what would be the side effects of chaga mushroom? Chaga is generally considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, as with any supplement, there are potential side effects and interactions to be aware of. First, digestive discomfort. Some individuals may experience digestive issues such as bloating or discomfort, particularly when consuming large amounts. Second, blood sugar impacts. Chaga may lower blood sugar levels, posing a risk for individuals with diabetes or those on blood sugar lowering medication. Third, blood thinning. Chaga possesses anticoagulant properties, which could increase bleeding risk. Populations on blood thinning medications or with bleeding disorders should refrain from using it. Fourth, kidney health. Due to its high oxalate content, prolonged use of chaga in large amounts may contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. A rare case of kidney damage has been reported with excessive consumption over an extended period. More clinical trials are warranted to examine such adverse effects. Given these considerations, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before adding chaga to your regimen, particularly if you have existing health conditions or are taking medications. Interested in trying chaga for yourself? Check out the links below for our top picks on the best chaga supplements to get you started. And if you're keen on staying updated with the latest in health and wellness, don't forget to subscribe to the Health News channel.